Hello subscribers, in this video, we will explore where you might be struggling to sculpt the dress. As you can see, even I am having trouble sculpting the 3D model. Let's go over a quick setting that can help fix this issue. First, switch to Object Mode. Select the 3D model and choose Shade Flat, as I demonstrate in the video. Do the same for the other 3D objects. Next, add a multi-resolution modifier and click Subdivide it twice to increase the resolution of the 3D model. Now, switch to Sculpt mode, and you should find it much easier to sculpt the cloth on the 3D model. This video explains why you might be having trouble sculpting the dress. If you would like to learn how to sculpt a dress properly, check out the other videos on this channel. You can also download this 3D model from the Cult's 3D website. The link is provided in the description. If you are interested in making money with Blender, feel free to subscribe and explore other videos with quick tips to help you avoid common mistakes.